Hey, good morning. Today is Tuesday, 17th of February 2026. I am now doing a healthy morning walk at Thomson Nature Park. Anyway, 恭喜发财 today, Chinese New Year Day 1. Here's an overview of Thomson Nature Park. And next to me, I have the usual monkeys that you can see in the MacRitchie Upper Pierce and Lower Pierce Reservoir. Okay, there are a lot of these monkeys here. All ancient trees. I like the way they do the elevated boardwalk. It's very clean and anti-slip, and there's also holes for debris and water to drop down. We are here. Let's take the track road and go down to Lorong Pelita. Already you can see some old houses. Last time the kampung old houses, people staying. The structure is still there, the wall. Here's another piece of the wall. You can see this is the old house, the wall, the kampung house. And you look at this tree branch here. Look at the roots. It is very, very old. Look at how thick the roots is, overgrown up already. This tree is very big. At least 50 or more years old. 100 years old. I do see some more walls there. It's an old house. If you zoom in, you see the walls? These are house walls. Still there. If I recall correctly, this is a Hainanese village that was here probably 100 years ago. It's a signage for rambutan tree. I don't see any rambutan trees. Okay, we'll go down first. This shed looks new. There's a signboard here to say this is a rambutan plantation. Given by Mr. Han. This is his rambutan tree. Nangka tree here. What do you call it? The jackfruit. Water source. Okay, so this is actually a well. These are well they collect water palm trees. Actually, this is very strong. People usually cut off the spikes, and this can be used for the roof structure of the atap house. You can associate these palm trees stalks with bamboo. It's a similar strength. Here's a glimpse of a very, very old palm tree and a very big one. Maybe 100 or 200 years ago, Singapore started off with a lot of plantation all around the island. So at Upper Thomson, this area, it is also part of a plantation. We have a very huge tree here. There's no signage. I do not know what tree is this. It's a very big trunk. There are some old steps up there, leading to somewhere. I do see a rooster there. Okay, let's see this signboard. The entrance, a meandering garden path with steps let visitor from Old Upper Thomson Road down a gentle slope terrain to Mr. Han Y. Tun's farmhouse. Oh, so this is the remaining of the steps to go to Mr. Han's house. These steps looks very original to me. So years ago, people always use granite crushed rocks with cement. Okay, they mix with cement and they make the roads. This is very old school style of making roads. And kids used to play on these places. They will get a lot of blisters end of the day. Some monkeys sitting on top there. Oh, they're looking at me. Probably waiting for food. You guys never feed any monkeys or never consume anything when you see them. They can be very aggressive. Okay, indeed, this area former residents of the Hainan village. 1930s, Thomson Nature Park once housed a Hainan village, a settlement renowned for its luscious rambutans and succulent chickens. The village came into existence in the 1930s when Hainanese immigrants first settled here. So this is the Hainan village. House with rambutan trees. Okay, so this is called Kampong Rambutan. And in the 1980s, the village was cleared off. And this is how big the area they occupy. Guys, it's just a short 10 minutes walk. I have covered the whole place. Lorong Pelita, okay, Lorong Pelita, and a bit of the rest area here, the bridges. I think that is about it. If you want to explore more, probably some of the trails they're coming in from the Old Upper Thomson Park Connector. This is Old Upper Thomson Road, which is the racetrack. Okay, you can also take these side roads in along this. Probably you can see some streams here, quite nice. Right, Thomson Nature Park, 7 AM to 7 PM opening hours. Come and have a look. Parking need to pay. We'll catch you again. Thanks for watching and Happy Chinese New Year. Behind me, if you look carefully, if you take a photo, it doesn't look like Singapore. You can tell people you're in overseas. Look at this. What I found. Toilet. Old toilet. Wow, with white tiles and all. There's 2 cubicles. So guys, after you have done with the Hainan village at Upper Thomson Road, just a stone's throw away, probably about 1k or 2k away, you have a Springview Nature Park. Here's how it looks. Beautiful. But you gotta come in the daytime. Woodcutters in upper reach of river. Orang Laut Sea people. Oil plantation, oil palm plantation. So apparently Springleaf Nature Park is a formerly village of Chan Chu Kang. Chan Chu Kang village. So this name has been removed already. Very nice. Well, if you drop your phone or drop anything down, don't expect it to find it, man. The murky water, you can't find anything.